racks on the hood of the Fred Sanford pickup, tied up with jumper cables. Billy got him a book sitting next door to a grab table. This shit is so intertwined it'll make Hank Williams do the Dougie. These woods are so trill it'll put your heart in stug and huggies. So cough it up, coffee cup, that's a mean mugging. You know me like you know Charlie Sheen's a mean druggie. I'm telling you facts about my life, I paint a serene, ugly, pristine, crummy, clean, bummy. I'm a genius dummy, never got past 5th grade math, but I can take 6 switchblade stabs to your ribs and I bet that equals bad. Bitch, my mama's a bitch, I'm a son of one sick trash in which I dish out back or a stitch to my hit gas. Back to you hip-hop, rock pricks and click rats, so quick pass mentally that a NASCAR fan get whiplash. You're watching this track mutilations like viewing racing, or